Hi, guys. So, today and tomorrow, we are going to be studying the Crusades. Now, as we learned last week, we know that the church is at the center and at the heart of everything that is medieval and Middle Ages. We know because they had money, they had power. And what we're going to discover over the next couple of days is just what they were able to do with that power in the name of the Holy Roman Empire, but more importantly, in the name of God. As you can see, the presentation that we're going to be working on in the next 2 days is called The Crusades, A Quest for the Holy Land. Now, let's look at today's learning targets so that we can get an idea of what we're going to be talking about. Today is Thursday, April the 1st, 2021, and it says, I can define crusades, and then I can explain the impact of the Crusades on medieval Europe. Now, when you're thinking of fighting in the name of something, we know that the flag of the United States, for most people, unites us as one country, that we fight for America, that we fight for that flag. In medieval Europe, there were multiple countries, but as you'll find, the church unites them all, and they're going to fight under the flag of the church. And it is the flag that they use as a symbol and will say, God wills it. This painting here shows you and gives you a good idea of how the church truly blended the idea of fighting in the name of God, because you have some people marching off to war all together and a priest standing out in the middle calling for action. And we'll learn exactly about how that call to action took place. We're going to learn about the causes that led up to these crusades, but we're also going to hopefully understand the impact of the Holy Land that they were fighting for. In the presentation in the next 2 days, you're going to explore some of those ideas. I mean, our essential question is, what are the Crusades and what impact did they have on medieval Europe? And you're going to find that there were some good things, but there were some not so good things either. As you work through, there's some different activities that you'll do. You have a recruitment poster trying to get those to join you on the Crusades. And then there's also a chart that you'll fill out about the positive and negative impacts of the Crusades on medieval Europe. But as you work through, take note. See how people were persuaded. How were they, or what were they promised to go on this journey to fight in the name of God? What were they told that they would receive? I mean, what would entice you to go fight in the name in the name of our country? I mean, would you think defending your country would get you there? But they weren't asked to defend a certain country, they were asked to defend God. So, what were they promised? And as you work through this presentation, you will have a complete understanding of what would actually entice someone to go on a long, perilous journey, a journey that took years to reach where they were going to make it. There were so many challenges that they faced. I mean, the promises of what you were going to receive would have to have been quite enticing. So, again, this whole idea of the Crusades, a quest for the Holy Land, again, it wasn't fighting necessarily for worldly gain, but something with a higher purpose. Again, if you guys have any questions, please reach out. We'd be glad to help you with this activity. I will be putting specific directions on the slides where you have an activity to complete. And please make sure that you are hitting the sound or voice boxes as you are working through the presentation so that you can listen along as you read for yourself. And you know that if you need us, that you can always reach out for us. So have a great Thursday, and you will not finish this activity today. It definitely is a 2-day process. So work your way through, don't rush through. And you can ask for help, and we'd be glad to do it for you. So have a great day, and we'll see you later. Bye.